LCD high-definition display. Waterproof cable. DN30mm spherical camera. Hello friend! Today I want to show you a new pop and scope for you, and it has a ride of ABS-V controls both and black. Range and right cable. This cable is a 7mm in diameter, and this one is a 14mm. Spherical camera. And let me show you how to use it. And the first one, it has a built-in keyboard. You can use this keyboard too. Input some letters or some numbers, like this. And these two buttons controls the light source of the camera. Let me show you. And these two buttons can show the horizontal rotation of the camera. Let me show you. And tilt. And the force function. Remote room in. And make it clear. And you can use a button too. Done button. And press OK button to save the video. And press stop button to stop saving video. And press play button to capture photo. And we baggage menu.